Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word how to add a signature. So to add signature, I will use the shape tools. You can go to insert and then click on shape, and in here we can use these tools free from scribble. And zoom in, like I will draw in here, and you can click against the icons free from scribbles create at this point, and then I will create again in the bottom here. Now you also can edit these objects by clicking and then right click. You can use these edit points to edit. Then move into here, move again into this point. Okay. And the next you need to make a group these all objects. Right click and then choose a group option. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to add signature. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.